Welcome back. We are doing Chapter 6, Section 2, Composite Figures, Finding Area and Perimeter. Our directions say find the perimeter of each figure. I am on workbook page 43, and we are currently working on number 2. So in order to find the area of the perimeter of a composite figure, we have to find all the sides. So I'm going to start with one color pen, and I am going to trace, let's see, which ones do we want to do first? Let's do the tops and bottoms. So I have 5 here, I have 24 here, and then I have the distance between R and Q, which is missing. And I have V to U, which is missing. Okay. Now I'm going to look and I'm going to say, okay, which side gives me more information? I know that the whole distance is 24, which makes up the bottom. It's the total distance of the bottom length. I see 3 pieces that make up the tops, and when I put those numbers together, I know I will get 24. But in order to do that, I need at least one more number to figure it out. If I have this number and this number, I can solve that number. If I have this number and this number, I can solve that number. But I need to find one more number. So they've had to put it somewhere on this diagram. Well, let's see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my lines up. I'm going to extend this out and down. I'm going to extend this out and down. Ooh! I see, they gave me some other measurements that were just flapping around in the breeze. This 8 is a top line, so it needs to match a bottom line. If this is the top, from here to here, it's going to match the bottom. So this question mark has to be equal to 8. Ooh. Now I know the whole thing is 24, and I have an 8 and a 5. Can I figure out the other? Well, 24 is my total, so let's put 24 on one side. Let's make it equal to the tops. So I have 5 plus 8 plus my missing piece. All right. I know that 5 plus 8 is 13. So I have to think 13 plus what equals 24. Okay. 13 plus 9 is 24. So my question mark is 9. So this is 9. I have a number for all of my bottoms and each one of my tops. Now let's work on the sides. Going up and down. I have from here, R to S is 3. I don't have from P to Q, so I have to find that measurement. I don't have from W to V. I have to find that measurement. Wait, but these look the same. So if I find the answer to one, I should have it for the other, right? Because these are opposite sides if I make this a rectangle. My other side here is 3. These are equal, so these two together will give me the total for one side, and these two together will give me the total for the other side. I need another number. I need more information. So let's look. If these sides are missing, let's look at this blanked out rectangle on both sides. If these are question marks, then the opposite sides of their rectangles would be here. Wait, this is a 6. So if this is 6, then its opposite side is 6. And if this side is 6, then this is 6. And if this is 6, then this is 6. Not that I needed to find that one. So now I have every single measurement going around. Let's add up our sides. I like to start in the top left corner. I have 5 plus from W to V is 6. From V to U is 8. From U to T is 3. From T to S is 24. From S to R is 3. From R to Q is 9. And from Q to P is 6. And I'm right back where I started at my star. So now I'm going to put them together. This is way too many numbers for me to do in my head. So again, I'm going to look for groups of 10. I will cross them off and I will add 1 to this side. So facts that make 10. 5 would go with 5. I don't have another 5. 6 goes with 4. Ooh, 6 and 4 make 10. So I will add 1 10 to that side. All right. 8 goes with 2. I don't have a 2. 3 goes with 7. I don't have a 7. 9 goes with 1. I don't have a 1. And 6 goes with 4. Okay. There aren't any others I can do with this. So what I like to do is I like to start adding the largest numbers first and then try and use my dots to count on. 9 plus 8 is 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I need to add another 34. Okay, what do I have left? 3, 4, 5, 6. My perimeter is 64. My label is inches. P equals 64 inches. Again, it's not squares. Perimeter is the outside edge, measured in straight lines, not measured in squares.